All right, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to put your Highlander in service mode for the emergency brake system. Keep in mind that when you're doing this, timing is everything. You may have to do it 2 or 3 times to get the timing down right. Stick around to the end of the video and we'll show you how to get it out of service mode after you're done working on it. All right, so we're going to put our 2024 Highlander into service mode for the parking brake. Step 1 of the procedure is to open the driver's door. Leave the door open. Now what you want to do is turn the ignition switch on. The first position will give you accessory. The second position gives you the on position. Now what you want to do is apply your foot on the brake and up 3 times on the parking brake switch. 1, 2, 3. Down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The parking brake will flash rapidly. Release the pedal. And then press and hold the brake lever down for 5 seconds. The parking brake indicator will begin to blink slowly. I just keep holding it down. Now it's blinking slowly. Now we're actually in service mode. We can go ahead and service the rear brakes. All right, we're done dealing with the rear brakes here. We've still got the driver's door open. We've turned the ignition to the run position. We're gonna press and hold the brake pedal. And then we're going to pull up on the parking brake switch and for about 10 seconds. We can hear the rear motors cycling. We're going to keep holding. The parking brake light will stop flashing. And that's it.